How to do shopping on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can do shopping on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to do shopping on Instagram, then all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and launch the Instagram application that you can find here. Once you launch the Instagram app, if you'd like to shop, then what you can do is you can simply search for a specific shop page. Normally you would have the shop right over here, but now they simply removed it. And now in order to get a shop, let's say you can just search for a specific page that has a shop over here. So just go ahead and search for that specific page here. Once you tap on their page over there, you'll find this option called view shop. You can just tap the view shop option, and once you tap the view shop option, you'll be able to see all of the shops of that specific shop over here. And you can search for categories. You can just select the product that you want to view the price, and then just send a message to that person, or you can also view them and check them out on the website. So this way you can go ahead and do shopping on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.